Hi, and welcome to New England Industrial Machinery in New Britain, Connecticut. And we are doing a video demonstration of a Kent 12 by 24 inch 3-axis hydraulic surface grinder. Built new in 1991. It's a model KGS-63AHD. It's equipped with its own coolant system over here. Also a self-lubricating system. Over-the-wheel dresser, but most people don't use it because they're not as accurate as a table-mounted dresser. Hydraulic feed, 3-axis. Control panel. Some of the buttons are less than desirable, but they're still fully functional. It's a very clean machine. Here's the hydraulic unit itself. 5 horsepower spindle motor, 230 460 volt, and it's wired for 460. Also, we just replaced the spindle bearings and the motor bearings on this. So it's in ready to use condition, and we guarantee it for 30 days. So we'll go ahead and start it and show you how it works. We're on blocks, so it's shown to be a little shaky, maybe. Not maybe, I guess it is. If we wedged it up a little bit, it took time. Oh, it does come with pads for mounting and leveling screws down in the base of the machine. Here are the pads. That would definitely take away any of the rocky motion you might see in the video. Power elevation. Crossfeed. Variable speed table motion. Really shows the rockiness when you speed it up. Oh, the cross-feed adjustment. And the down feed would activate some motion when it reaches either end of the cross feed. Just move them. Yeah. The adjustment for the amount of down feed. It's right in that dial. And maybe we could put our steel sample on the chuck. Is there a piece over there? No. What? Yeah, we'll just find a chunk of steel we can put on there. Never handy when you want one, but we do want to show you that it works. Ooh, that's a chunk of steel. Everything works really nice. And it comes with instruction manual and a wheel mount. So that's it. If you have any questions or would like to see this under power for yourself, we'd be happy to show it to you. And again, we guarantee this machine for 30 days. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you.